Hello everyone, in our tutorial today, I will be showing you how to exploit in Roblox. But first, you just have to simply download the following here. You need a MumuPlayer, you need download Get Exploit, and the links will be provided and included in the description down below. Also, later you will need a key system in order for you to simply use the code or use this feature once you are playing Roblox. So that link also will be included down below in the description box. So first, you just have to download MumuPlayer here. And then after that, you have to go to Codex, this website right here, tap Android, and then click download and wait for a couple of minutes as it is processing. Now to unlock content, you have to click the following here. So the first one, we have here download the best gaming browser. You just have to click that one, accept notifications. It will not take much longer, it just take a bit of your time to just simply unlock this content. Then once you're done with this, you will see that unlock content is now available as it turns green. So tap this one and then it will take you directly to this page. Now what you want to do is to simply download this file right here. And then how are you going to use this one once you have downloaded this? What you want to do is to simply copy this. Now click a browser. And then what you want to do is to simply paste that URL that you have copied earlier. Then after that, you will see it below the download button after you paste this one. And what you want to do is simply download that. Now you have to locate the downloaded file or the download file under the download section of a Momo Player. So let's go to download folder and then locate that file. And then what you want to do is to simply open that one. Okay, as you can see, it is now downloading. After that, go to downloads, click this one and then open this, then you will probably see that Roblox is now starting to install, or you can install this one. So tap install and then wait as it is processing. Now, once done, Roblox will just appear on your screen. And then also you will see that code beside it will just appear. This is what it looks like. We have Codex, Android, Editor, local scripts, and global scripts. Now, in order for you to use the key, what you want to do is to simply click the link that I will be including in the description down below. So that channel will provide you the URL, the links, the scripts, anything that you can use in order for you to use this feature. So all you have to do is to visit that, and then there you will see the key that you will be needing in order for you to use this feature. If you tap that link, you will see there, or you can download their scripts and executors. You can also see the code for best mobile executor. So all you have to do is simply visit that link. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.